Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook True Elements quinoa perfectly every time. First, it's crucial to rinse your quinoa. This simple step helps remove a natural coating called saponin, which can give quinoa a slightly bitter or soapy flavor. Just place your desired amount of quinoa in a fine mesh strainer and rinse it under cold, running water for about 1 minute, gently swishing it around. Next, let's talk about the perfect water ratio for fluffy quinoa. For every 1 cup of True Elements quinoa, you'll want to add 1 3/4 cups of water or broth to a saucepan. This specific ratio is key to achieving that ideal light and fluffy texture, avoiding both mushy and crunchy results. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once your quinoa and water mixture reaches a boil, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. It's important not to peak during this time, as the steam is crucial for proper cooking. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat, but keep it covered for an additional 10 minutes to allow it to steam further. Finally, after the resting period, remove the lid from your pot. You should see tiny spirals, the germ, separating from the quinoa seeds, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Gently fluff the quinoa with a fork to separate the grains. Remember, 1 cup of dry quinoa typically yields about 3 cups of cooked quinoa. Now it's ready to be enjoyed as a nutritious side or incorporated into any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.